Hi kids, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet. Today let's learn how to draw alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So let's go kids. A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. F is for fish. G. G is for gorilla. H. H is for house. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jellyfish. K. K is for kettle. L. L is for lion. M. M is for mango. N. N is for nest. O. O is for orange. Bye bye kids.